Now I calculate the projected cost of sales and marketing of first 7 years. The cost of sales is also known as the cost of goods sold. Suppose company spends 30% on sales and marketing and spends to purchase the raw material for manufacturing Android mobile phones. So what will be the projected cost of first year if company spends 30% on sales and marketing? The cost of first year is calculated by multiplying the sales value or revenue value of first year to 30% cost of goods for sales and marketing. First active cell reference H7, type 30%. Press enter key. This is assumed or projected percentage of cost of goods or cost of sales. Now active cell reference E15, enter equal sign. Multiply the value of first year revenue to the cost of goods sold percentage value. Click this cell reference, enter multiplication operator, click this cell reference, press enter key. So the estimated cost of sales and marketing of first year $105,000. If a company spends 30% on sales and marketing, this is the estimated cost of first year. To calculate the estimated cost of other years, paste the same formula in other cells. Again active cell reference E15. First make the absolute position of cell reference H7. Because I want to remain same percentage of cost in other years. Click in formula bar, press F4 key, press enter key. Again active this cell. Move your pointer on a right vertical border bottom edge until its shape changes to plus sign. Press mouse and drag to right. You can see the values of cost of each year are increasing because the values of sales or revenue of each year are increasing. Active cell reference K15. The cost value of year 7 is higher because the value of sales or revenue of year 7 is higher. In this way, company estimates the cost of goods sold and marketing.